Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is looking beyond Industry 4.0. While Industry 4.0 is already popular in manufacturing, the concept of Society 5.0 offers untapped opportunities in blending technology with society. Industry 4.0 is the bringing together of robots, interconnected devices, and fast network of data within a factory environment. Basically, to make the factory more productive and to execute the routine tasks that are best done by robots and not best done by the humans. Industry 4.0 starts to move towards Industry 5.0 when you begin to allow customer to customize what they want. The fact file of the history of industrial revolution is depicted as the first 1.0 industrial revolution based on mechanization in the year 1780. The industrial production based on machines powered by water and steam. The next 2.0 version of industrial revolution in 1870 for electrification, the mass production using assembly lines. In 3.0 section in 1970 based on automation using electronics and computers. In 3.5 in 1980 based on globalization, offshoring of production to low-cost economies. In case of 4.0 industrial revolution aspect, in today's world, digitalization, introduction of connected devices, data analytics, and artificial intelligence technology to automate those processes further. And the latest 5.0 version of industrial revolution depict for future personalization or industry will be focused on the cooperation between man and machine as human intelligence works in harmony with cognitive computing. By putting humans back into industrial productions with collaborating robots, workers will be upskilled to provide value-added tasks in production, leading to mass customization and personalization for customers. Industry 4.0, a decade-old concept, was first introduced by the government in Germany. Today it has become a regular phenomenon. It's entail building intelligent factory where machines monitor and take decentralized production and maintenance decisions. The concept has now evolved further to Society 5.0, which refers to a technology-based human-centered society. Society 5.0 was first conceptualized by Japan and aspired to go beyond industrial transformation and create a super smart society where people can resolve various social challenges by incorporating technologies like IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and big data into society. Society 5.0 looks at converging cyberspace, virtual space, and physical space, what we call real space. Japanese companies such as Panasonic and Hitachi, to name a few, are already following this model. Overall, Society 5.0 can be categorized under three broad areas: mobility, home, and business. Mobility includes autonomous driving and fleet systems that use obstacle detection, external environment recognitions, and energy saving technologies, including next generation power devices, lithium ion batteries, and contactless power supply system. Home includes home automation innovations such as smart appliances, lights, as well as sensing solutions such as facial recognition for entry control and detection of suspicious activities. It also includes technologies for lifestyle data analysis and emotion recognition based on people's behavior and activity information. Lastly, business compromises solutions embedded with cutting-edge technologies, including IoT, AI, machine learning, cloud computing, edge computing, and blockchain technology. These are aimed at optimizing enterprise activities across sectors. For India to achieve the $3 trillion economy, For India to achieve the $1 trillion digital economy, the country needs to leverage this new age technology. According to some reports, India had 200 to 250 million connected devices by the end of 2019, and the report now estimates this number to jump tenfold and touch 2 billion devices in 2021. Presently, the IoT adoption among large enterprises stand at 35%, with Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing and connected asset as the two most important prominent categories concerning 20 to 25% of the total investment. While adoption of digital technology has been on the agenda for many organizations, the pandemic has accelerated this pace across the sectors. Digital transformation and adoption have gained the speed, while security has emerged as another top priority. Furthermore, the change in customer behavior has created a demand for automation for home and office, contactless technologies, and connected IoT-enabled appliances. As a result, there is a rise in demand for smart manufacturing, smart lifestyle, and smart society. With the advent of 5G, the demand for connected solutions is expected to rise further. Our syndicated research conducted in 2020 collaborated that nearly 81% of the consumers are comfortable spending extra on IoT-enabled product. Consumers are looking for IoT-based solution that can connect all appliances and devices in the house on a single platform. Lights, switches, fans, smart doors, refrigerator, TVs, air conditioners, washing machine, etc. Home automation as a service will enable businesses to provide the holistic smart living experience, comfortable, convenient, and connected to consumers. The medical profession is working towards an artificial pancreas and is not quite there yet. Type 1 diabetes sufferers are issued with the devices that draws blood and measures sugar levels in your blood. That device talks to another device which then delivers insulin in your body, into your body. This kind of works, but it's a one size fits for all the medical professional. Does its very best to try and tweak the control system for the individual. As you go from Industry 4.0 to 4.5.0, you create higher value jobs than before because you are giving the freedom of design responsibility back to the human. A recent study shows that workplace does not become smaller in terms of manufacturing cell around the human being. It's actually become bigger. The human being has more responsibility and you end up with a bigger, lighter environment that's safer than the previous one. The Industry 5.0 also give us the ability to close the loop so we can push the boundaries of physics on design. If you are trying to make the next generation aircraft, for example, you are constrained by today's manufacturing capabilities. So you are also constrained by the amount of data that you have coming back to the infield service of an aero engine or aircraft, and your ability to feed that in-service data back into the design processes With Industry 5.0, you will be able to automate the manufacturing process better, which means you will have real-time data coming in from the field. If you take to that next stage and you have the seamless data between the field, the manufacturing process and the design, you are talking humans out of the manufacturing route, but they will be more involved in how the product is being used and how it can be designed because they have more information. Flipping the arrow and automotive industry from fossil fuel world to an electrical world going to be a significant design challenges, and it will be much easier for human to solve if the mundane tasks are dealt with an AI techniques and robots. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is looking beyond Industry 4.0. While Industry 4.0 is already popular in manufacturing, the concept of Society 5.0 offers untapped opportunities in blending technology with society.